Welcome to Retail Ops. Today, I'll be showing you the different tools available for creating shipment waves to improve your pick, pack, and ship efficiency. After a customer places an order and it passes the order screening process, orders are automatically sent to the warehouse to be picked, packed, and shipped to the customer. This process begins with the creation of shipment waves. Now let's jump into the shipment wave tool in Retail Ops now. Go ahead and navigate to Warehouse and then go to Shipment Wave. Now, the first thing you've probably noticed is this graph at the top. This graph gives managers a high-level view of all the shipments waiting to be processed so you can prioritize shipments accordingly. One of the first things a warehouse manager needs to be aware of is how many expedited orders have been received and how long they've been in queue. This graph makes it simple to gather this information and then use it to sequence shipping waves to ensure your team is meeting shipping obligations every time. So you can see right here, under the one-day shipping service, we have 4 orders require one-day shipping. And then we have another 3 orders that require expedited international shipping. Note that the graph right now is currently displaying shipments broken up by ship service. However, if you go to the bottom right of this pane here, you can actually toggle that so it can show the predicted ship class, or it can break it up by sales channel as well. So we'll go back to ship service. Let's move down now to the create wave pane. Here you can see there are a host of parameters you can configure to create shipment waves that are ideal for your workflow. We'll run through some of the most commonly used parameters briefly. Those are going to be items, and total shipments, and then class, service, and channel. And as we configure our wave, you'll be able to see a preview of the wave shipments down here under the, in this pane. This is the wave preview pane here. And actually, we're going to start with class, service, and channel first. A while ago, we mentioned there were expedited orders that you would likely want to prioritize. So that's going to be the one-day orders and the expedited international orders here. You're going to want to create a shipment wave for only those shipments so you can get those out the door first. All you need to do is go to service here, and then you can select one day. And actually, this is a multi-select menu, so you can actually select expedited international as well. So these are going to have shipments that are both one day and expedited international. And then of course, if you wanted to filter by channel instead, you can deselect these and filter by, say, only website sales. A second ago, we mentioned expedited orders that you likely want to prioritize. You can create a shipment wave for only those shipments. So let's say all the one-day orders and the expedited international orders, let's say we want to get those out the door as quickly as possible. Go ahead and go to service. You can select one day. And then this is actually a multi-select menu, so you can also select expedited international. And that'll give you all shipments under the one-day service or the expedited international shipping service, so you can get those out the door really quickly. If you wanted to, say, filter by a specific sales channel, you can go to channel here. And likewise, if you want to filter by a specific carrier class, you can go up here to class and select that. Next, you'll need to select the printing option that best suits your workflow. So if you go here and open the drop-down, these will have your 3 options. By default, standard is selected, and if you select standard, pack slips and pick labels will print separately. They'll also print in the order of your pick path so your pickers can retrieve all the order items efficiently. Alternatively, you can print in either pick-to-order mode or bulk ship mode. Pick-to-order is ideal for picking items for single item shipments. So actually, this wave that we just created, since these are all single item shipments, pick-to-order would be the best option for us here. If you select bulk ship is ideal for if you have some sort of flash sale promotion. This will help you process large quantities of the same order item very quickly. So since given our wave here, we're going to stick with pick to order. When you're finished configuring your wave parameters, the last thing you need to do is enter the processing container into which the items will be moved. So we're going to use the shipping container sort 01, and when you're selecting container, make sure that you do select a shipping type container, and then just go ahead and press the create button. Once you create the wave, it'll be displayed in the pane on the right. This pane shows you all the waves that still have shipments that need processing. So if you select this wave right here, this is the one we just created. And if you'd like to reprint pick labels or pack slips for any of the waves, just go ahead and select the wave and then go down here, the bottom right, to the reprint button and just select whether you want to reprint pick labels, packing slips, or the special pick to order labels that are used for the pick to order mode of printing. And that's the Shipment Wave tool in a nutshell. It's highly flexible, so you can maximize efficiency for any workflow. Please subscribe to our channel below for more instructional videos.